Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021-2022 range from Fleurette, and this is the Magister 70 LM in its Cristal version. This vehicle will cost, in this state, 68,370. Base price is 65,190. Comfort packet, queen bed, and the front bed, the overhead bed, the bed that it bothers me, that I don't like. That's 790, and a little bit more. So ready to drive off 3,068, 697 centimeters long, almost the same as my van, 234 wide, wider than my van, 278 high, and higher than my van. So okay, arguments here for polyester walls, recovering protect system. It's got driver, climate control, airbags up front, 150 litre fridge, and lighting is 100% LED. Also note it's got a double floor. It's on a Fiat Ducato, and that's the bed, which costs the extra 790 euros. I'd rather not have it in here and have the 790 euros to spend on beer, crunchy bars and contraceptives. So let's go to the back. Right, the queen bed in France is the most popular layout. There you go. It's made of mousse haute résilience, and so 35 kilograms per cubic meter. Only I don't know what HR stands for. Right, so it's 80% polyester, 20% viscose, and you can turn the mattress around if you want. Anyway, so that's something about the mattress. And this means that because in Germany the most popular layout is the German layout, and in UK I haven't got a clue what the most popular is. Shower's pretty big though, isn't it, really? Have to say. Also got this ledge. I like a ledge in the shower, so it means I've got somewhere to sit when I'm trying to get my feet clean. Now in my van, because the toilet and the shower's together, I sit on the toilet with my feet up, crossed, and I try and get them clean like that. You know, when you're out on your bike after a pretty dusty trail, then it's nice to be able to give your feet a good scrubbing. Also convenient, if you're in bed, you can see whoever's in the shower. And here's another thing, you don't want to see the people up front, close this door like that. Or maybe you can't be bothered to close the blinds up front, so if you're in bed, just close that door. Now a feature for 2022 is two of these, not three but two. This one's from Thetford. This has just been introduced by Thetford, and the advantage of having 2 over 3 is that the further space together. It's using the same amount of space, but you haven't got the 3 close to each other. I think that is a positive step forward, although not everybody will agree with that, as will be seen in the comments section. Curious covering to this. It looks as though it's given a ripple effect, and there's the sink. Space for your telly. Now, because of we saw the prices and the options. I mean, as far as this is concerned, this is almost the base version, which is unusual at an event like this. Normally, the ones you see have got they're fully kitted out with just about every possibility. Note the table uses the same sort of ripple effect, or even though it's flat as, there you go, ripple effect on both sides. Of course, you have to push the chair further forward should you want it. Flat. All their vehicles are on the Fiat platform. This one here is manual, and I think the option of having it on automatic is about 3,200 or something like that extra, something along those lines. What is hidden under the floor is the question. That's your water tank. I personally think it's good to be able to access the water tank from a position like that. In fact, I've never heard anybody say the contrary. These tables, incidentally, I tried to buy one. They cost a fortune. And here we've got the central lock for the drawers. So it's locked. I'll leave it open because I heard a story from last year. Somebody on the, I think it was a Dreamer or Rapido, and somebody wanted to, so he couldn't get the first one open, so he pulled, obviously if you're using a force it's going to break, so that one broke. The second one he couldn't get open, so he broke it. Third one he did the same thing. That was somebody on the stand, and unfortunately this type of thing happens all the time. So what we'll do now, we'll have a bit of a walk around. That's handy to have a mirror here. We'll have a walk around. There you go, made in France. And mentioned the bed. So the bed will go up and down. So it's going up now. There's the switch, and see it's going up and down. So you've got this huge garage now. What's it going to look like inside? Let's have a look. We've gone up all that way. You've got that space under there. The curtain has dropped down. Oh, isn't that clever? Nobody else has done a curtain which drops down like that to hide this bit here. And there's a drawer. But here you can get through the drawer from there as well. Tiny thing like that, curtain dropping down. Yeah, first time I've seen it. So the bed is quite high, but it's not too bad. So let's come around. Oh, I didn't mention this here. There's a storage under here, which I can't open for some reason. Don't know. That there will come out, and I think that you can make a bit of a bed with that. I'm not certain though. So I'll put it back. As I walk around the outside. Fleurette, so these other Rapido companies here. Itineo, there's the Rapido stand. There, glad to see them back this year. Is Mercedes. There we've got Fiat, corporate side, Cartago, the Carmen Mobile down there, and the left is more Rapido. So it's a lot more people here than there were in 2020, the COVID year. All the same, it's not the same without the Heimer group here. Heimer group have given it a miss this year, which is a pity. So there's plenty of storage around the outside. Fleurette Magister. come back here. So you got all that space. What do you think of this? Like it or not? Write your comments down below. And thanks very much for watching.